Solitaire Cash, Solitaire Clash, and Solitaire Cube are among the real money solitaire apps available in 2026, but cash tournaments can require deposits and winning is never guaranteed. Of the penny hoarder one under. By the end, you'll know which 5 solitaire apps are worth checking, how their cash systems work, and what to verify before risking any money. Number 5. Solitaire Cube. And the mile. Solitaire Cube uses head-to-head Klondike matches where competing players receive the same deck, so the game is designed around speed and skill rather than different card layouts. Practice games are available, while real money play requires a deposit. 2026 review lists a $10 minimum deposit. Millennial Guided Twain. Niganmanam Subine. Is a young That makes Solitaire Cube better suited to experienced players who already know the game and understand that paid tournaments can result in losses. Number 4. Solitaire Clash. Anware. 4. Solitaire Clash is another cash tournament option with real money competitions. Current iOS listings show it as free to download, with more than 450,000 ratings reported in 2026. The important distinction is that downloading the app for free does not mean every cash tournament is free. Check the specific tournament rules before entering. And number 3. Solitaire Smash. Solitaire Smash is another real cash solitaire option listed among the leading iOS solitaire apps in 2026. It has a large user rating base and focuses on competitive solitaire rather than simply rewarding you for playing standard games. If you want to try it, start with any available practice mode before considering paid competitions. Number 2. Solitaire Cash. Solitaire Cash is one of the most prominent options in this category. Current 2026 listings show more than 550,000 App Store ratings, and independent testing has documented a $34.60 PayPal cashout after playing paid tournaments. On 7. The catch is that paid tournaments can involve entry fees, so a cash prize does not automatically mean profit. Number 1. World Winner. World Winner is worth considering if you want a broader competitive gaming platform, rather than a single solitaire title. Current 2026 listings place it among the leading cash game options, with solitaire available alongside other competitive games. Animus on the pass, Nikiwasan option. Number 5. The main takeaway is simple. These apps are better viewed as skill-based entertainment with potential cash prizes, not guaranteed income. Before depositing, check the entry fee, withdrawal method, eligibility restrictions, and whether cash play is available where you live. Start with free practice rounds whenever they're offered. If you want more tested rankings of real money gaming apps, like the video and subscribe.